Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to order on Seamless. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Seamless application, which of course you can find on Google Play Store or even Apple Store. All right, so now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to order. Now from here, the first thing that you have to do is to check the search bar, which is of course at the top corner of your screen. So once you check the search bar, in the search bar, you're going to be asked to add the location. So there you have to enter the location that you want, all right, to find the restaurants that are very close to you. Now, once you do that, the next thing is you're going to have to select the item, of course, that you want to make an order for. Let's say broad nosh, so I just had to click that up. So yeah, it says you're too far away for delivery, so update address. So you have to enter an address that is very close, or switch to pick up, or find delivery nearby. So I'm just going to click on switch to pick up so I can go pick up my item right there. All right, but then if you want to change address so that they can deliver it to you, just go ahead and click the delivery option and adjust the address. So now that we're here, I'm gonna have to check the item that I want. So right here you have popular items, you have top menu items, weekend special, and all of this. So I'm just gonna click on weekend special. You can just select anything that you want. Come on, it's your food. So, and here I have wings. So I'm just gonna have to click on that wings. Okay, so here it says select one, choose dipping sauce for wing, choose no, I just get, so here you can actually manipulate the quantity. All right, so I just need one. Okay, I don't, okay, choose dipping sauce, say it's required, so I'm just going to choose this, just choose one aspect. And the next one, I'm just going to go with carrot. All right, so that's all. I've chosen all of that. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do right here is to click on add to bag at the bottom of your screen. So go ahead and click on add to bag, which is $12. All right, and that's going to take you, now you have, so right here you see the banner below that says view order. So I'm just going to click on view order. Now it says burnish, so this is what I want, right? And then the next thing is proceed to checkout. So click on proceed to checkout, and it's going to take you to the payment window where you're going to have to enter your payment details. So now it says select a payment method. All right, so and then you have credit card there. So just enter your credit card details. So if you click on that credit card, you're going to see a drop down menu. So you can either use credit card or PayPal or Amazon Pay. You enter your billing postal code. You can choose to save the card or just toggle it off to not save. All right, and then the next thing that you do is to select review order at the bottom of your screen. So once you're done filling out all of these information, all these details, go ahead and click on review order, and it's going to take you to the order itself for you to be sure that this is exactly what you want. And once you're done, that's going to be it. This is exactly how you can place an order on Seamless. As you can see, it's really seamless. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.